Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC for this quick review of the PineCone model F-570. It might be at the toy end of the spectrum, but I always find these VTOL, vertical takeoff landing type aircraft, really interesting. It comes with a couple of 2-cell 1000 mAh batteries, and these are charged via the provided USB lead. It is very important that you understand the flight modes. There are 3 of these, and they're detailed in the instruction manual and controlled by the top right switch, which has 3 positions. Top position is drone mode, as I will call it, flies like a drone. The middle position is flight mode, fly like an aeroplane, and the bottom mode is its party trick, where it will stand on its tail and hover. Okay, so let's go for a flight. The first thing I need to do is to plug the flight battery into the drone and then switch on the radio transmitter. It's normally the other way around with RC airplanes, but not with this particular product. The battery cover, or canopy as we call it, slides in at the back and clicks in at the front. Make sure that's secure. Then switch on the radio transmitter, and here I'm just showing changing between the flight modes and how the angle of the propellers changes to achieve moving between hovering and forward flight. Okay, before we take off, we need to ensure that that top right switch is in the up position, and then start the motors, the propellers, by putting both sticks to the bottom and outside positions. Then just go up on the left stick to get some height. Flying in this drone mode with the switch in the up position is very easy and intuitive. Once you have mastered drone mode, you will want to try flight mode. All you need to do is to move the mode switch to the middle position, and then to actually initiate flight, you need to click on the top right button. When you do that, the propellers will angle forwards at 45 degrees and then 90 degrees to achieve forward flight. It does that to ensure that you get enough speed to get lift from the drone while it's flying forwards. Controlling the drone in this mode is a little different. The things to be very aware of is on the right stick, you pull back on that stick, down on that stick to control pitch up, and forwards pitch down. The left stick up and down controls the speed of the motors. To make the drone go into this vertical mode, flick the switch into the bottom position, but only do it when it's flying relatively close to you, so you've got very good visual orientation. Back to flight mode, flick the switch into the middle position and click the top right button again. To land, you need to move the switch to the top position again, and then fly in drone mode back to where you want it to land. Use the left stick down to bring it back to the ground. Hold that stick down towards its bottom position and the motors will shut off. So that's my quick review of the PineCone model F-570 VTOL drone. It does it quite well, to be honest. I do think you need to be very wary of when you switch from the drone mode to the flight mode in using the right stick to control pitch like an elevator on an airplane. That's very important. And also you'll find to make quite tight turns, because it can get away from you quite quickly, to make the tight turns you need to move both sticks to the right or to the left at the same time, proportionally obviously to the tightness of the turn that you want to make, but be very wary that you need to do that. Otherwise, the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.